pick by your Drakes. All the blood clot me I pick by you. When you didn't have blood clot, Peter get around you. And me I tell you, say, bring the girl come. You never know me I pick by you. Should I bring the girl come? Everything me do is a problem. We don't want to do the things in my line and nobody know to talk about it. Go see. That you have to do. Go and suck Rosealee someone know do. Me get the file. Me get the blood clot file, but like you come about me, I go bust it up.
Like you call out my name and
yes, me have to call for your name and flame name in a one because Akeem hide it. Akeem and Rosealee you hide it. I have to make you all a TikTok know. Akeem and Rosealee. Akeem and Rosealee. Me not tell no lie. Akeem and Rosealee. Drake's a clean card for Akeem now. Drake's a Akeem bitch. I want to know, go sit down and do the research. Akeem, a top man. Akeem right now. Drake's a work for Akeem now and a clean card. Yeah, yes. Me disappointed in a Akeem because how much nice blood clot boy they pan the upper you got Drake. How much nice cute boy they pan TikTok you got blood clot Drake. They make Rosealee make a blood clot Drake. Come on, nice boy, they pan it up with a girl. Eh? And you make Rosealee make a girl ugly thinking batty Drake's Akeem. Akeem, all you have to Drake's batty. Drake's batty is going to dump up. All you have to fuck Akeem. Akeem, all you have to bomber clad Drake with him dirty wall. Yes.
this time, from the company internet and we have observed the whole of the cast and recognition.
Me not try to be funny. Me the blood clot tell us me I try to be funny. Let me pass that shit up here. Let me pass that shit up here. Me tell us me I try to be funny. Me come here and tell you what happened in real life. You tell me say that's not funny. Bitch, was I trying to be funny? Bitch, was I trying to be funny? Me come and tell you what happened in real life. Say Drake a fuck Rosealee or Akeem. Say Akeem a son of fuck Rosealee. Me I try to be funny? That's all like something where me I try to be funny or me I tell you something where you never know, bitch. God name out Rosealee back and Drake's back to come off of my life if you don't want to hear what go on. Who don't like hear truth about to the favorite. Drake's a clean card for Akeem now. Drake's a Akeem and Rosealee are the threesome. What the fuck wrong with you? Drake's a Akeem and Rosealee are the threesome. Akeem affects and a fuck Rosealee. You're number one when you company up. So how me feel watch you're number one? Eh? Me see say the girl them we clean card over Akeem and Rosealee. Me see them a shoot for you yesterday. That's what me talk about it. What y'all talk about? What y'all talk about me and watch? What you mean by? Me see the girl them over Akeem and Rosealee we clean card. Remember me and Rosealee was one friends. And Rosealee tell me about the girl them. So me know them clean card. Me know how it come down. And Rosealee tell me. Me never go in my mind or go to the road go find out about card clean and who a clean card. And the big back oversized cow tell me. So when me see the same girl them a shoot for you, Akeem, I know them a shoot for your Drakes. What that mean? You clean card. Fuck. Akeem bust up on the link. Rosealee bust up on the link. So the fuck you come boy? You need a blood clot plunger in your wall. Cause for you see Akeem, you know Akeem have a big call. Your body a leak right now, Drakes. Me know after that the way Akeem get your ball last night, your body supposed to burn you. Me know your body a burn you. Guys, me know Drake's body a burn him. Him can't tell me nothing. Me know him body under blood clot pain. Look on Akeem. For you look on Akeem. Blood clot. For you look on Akeem, you know say Akeem a bring his size. Drake's your body a burn you. For you look on blood clot Akeem Drake's. Me know you saw about you cause them size heavy. Yeah, for you see Akeem, you know Akeem I work with them size guys. Yeah. Blood clot right now Drake's body on fire. Don't come about me. Go about Akeem big thing we put you on fire cause I know the business. Go about Akeem big thing Drake. We have your back door on fire. Don't come about me. Go about Akeem big. That's like you turn up so you can't sit down on the line. Batty a bun you. Don't come about me. Look. I can't sit down. Drakes, look. No piano. Go about Akeem Drakes. Look. Drakes. Rosealee man. Look. My body not pain me. Look. You can't do that, Drakes. I dare you. After Akeem beat up for your body also with him big thing, you can't do that. I dare you. Drake, sit down. Drake, sit down. You can't do it. Drake, sit down. You cannot do it. But you want to come by me. After Akeem fuck out your body all with him big body, you want to come by me. Go ahead. Think I may make you can't sit down? Think I may make you can't sit down, Drake? Drake can't sit down. Akeem punch and wall. Drake can't sit. I dare Drake to sit down. Akeem plunge and wall. So he could have clean card. Akeem Billy bang out wall because you panic yard cleaning. You can't come by me. No boy when them body tender can't come by me. Drake sit down. You have to stand up one day. When you tell Drake to sit down over there. Drake can't sit down. Akeem fuck bus in panic yard cleaning. Oh, sit down, Drake. And one thing blood clot hurt me. Akeem pass all of the cleaning on TikTok and go fuck the wall. That is the only thing that hurt me. Yeah. Him skip all of the clean wall them and look and feel thinking wall. And Rosealee had the cause of this because as she go do threesome. And Rosealee had the cause of blood clot this because as she go do the threesome. Yes, as she manipulate Akeem for fix. And Rosealee manipulate Akeem for fuck blood clot Drake. Akeem know you there now. Rosealee, I have one up on you. Wait till Rosealee ready to bring her down so you full of Drake's back and she was there. Wait till she ready for you. No, you know Akeem. Akeem, no, you have blood clot doing now. Because one up that Rosealee have on you now. That threesome the Akeem where you and Rosealee and Drake's do. Wait till Rosealee ready for talk. Remember, me I don't have things down, you know, so everything I go see in the closet, you know. Wait till Rosealee ready for busting blood clots up. No. From a born out of my mother pay. From me I go up, me I travel. I go more than 100 blood clot country. I go every Caribbean blood clot country, every Spanish country, because I love travel. First, me hear some things and upon TikTok and upon dirty Rosealee and our generation them. Yeah? Rosealee, I first blood clot girl. Rosealee, June, you're the first girl me hear say. My mother. Your sister, I don't even trust you around my daughter. You're still there with the man. You're dirty girl. See you people. Then if you bubble clot, see you. If me have the power, be a blood clot. Nothing now left back alive. When I talk about that, you mean have certain bumble clot power. God know why not give me certain. Me say, be a blood clot, great see you. You don't know if you live down at that blood clot. You are dirty people. You know are dirty people. That thing, me no business, everything. Sea View enough exist at Jamaica. The place where them Sea View enough exist if you wipe off clean out of blood clot Jamaica. You know the things that when them do a Sea View, Drake's further and the whole Sea View know. Him be big man brother, the Rasta man and only they told him a big man enough. He told him a big man enough and the whole Sea View know. Nothing wrong with gay man, but when you have your brother, something wrong with you. I know people out there. I want to know. Nothing wrong with gay man, but when you have a play in your brother blood clot shit, something wrong with it. When you have a play up in your brother shit, something is bumble clot wrong with it. And them dirty careless bumble clot people, me a top girl. You mad? You know a skirmish, you know a drunk crowd, you know some low life dirty people. Maybe I only reason. Pause the story time a little bit. Oh, Jesse dicks me. How Jesse this a girl like me. And in my worst moment, I look at Jakes. You know, she said Jakes a madman. Oh, a madman for this a top girl. Me have no reason for you. You know, she said Jakes a okay. Jakes look like him don't even beard. Make we tell the truth where God love. I just the truth. If you don't mix with dog, you don't catch flea. If when Jesse just come on the app, me never give the time of date. You could try this me today. Drake is a walking madman. From look on Drake, me see the Drake's mouth stink. Drake see this me. I'm is a real woman. I'm not take finger and look on Rosealee finger. Rosealee finger big like my another finger. Oh Drake, but oh Drake see this me. Make we talk the truth now. Oh Drake see this me. I'm a battle tighter than Drake's battle. Because look on my finger, look on my woman finger, and look on Rosealee finger. Rosealee finger on my fist. Tell Drake don't try it. Oh, Drake see this me. And Rosealee finger is my fist. Remember, me's a little girl. Rosealee finger is my fist. And Rosealee a finger out. Oh, Jake, see this me. I'm about to tight and Jake. Me on the reason, man. Oh, Jake, see this me. I'm is not just a beggar. I'm an independent boss bitch. Oh, you have to diss me, Jake. And if you don't click your live, you don't eat. You can't diss me. Oh, you have to diss me. Make a reason on the chat. Me, I don't know a reason. A reason without arguing. You know. Oh, Jake, see this me. And me is a boss bitch. Me don't need to come live to pay my rent, which is 2,000, how much? 2,000 something. Drake, have you ever, we're not gonna go there. Cause first time in life I said 2,000 since I started click TikTok. Oh, you for this me, bro man, thinking about Drake. Where Rosealee not stop the batty. What list Drake, we're still gonna watch Rosealee big draws. Them. Remember, sorry for you and defend you, Drake. You can't diss me. I'm not even looking for true. We just get you technical Drakes, you can't diss me. Oh, you for this me and your blood clot Rosealee made. No boy we sit down and watch Rosealee big chapal in us can't come by me. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Your house boy Drakes. Your mouth stink. You look dirty. You're that what I call you now? I don't even know if I call you. My tight on your Drakes. I'm a blood clot top freak. I'm have a tighter than you. I'm a top freak, I just the truth. I'm a bad freak, I'm a top freak Drakes. I'm have a tighter than you. Because I'm not ask her, Rosealee finger too big for going in a bowl. Look at Rosealee finger. I just the truth chat, Rosealee finger too big for going in a bowl. I just the truth. And Drakes I take Rosealee finger like nothing. So how dare you? Broke back. Your mouth looks stink. Scammer. Remove your picking them from your background. You put up your picking them from background to scam the people man in now work. Dirty but you can't come by me. I don't even want you to suck my big blood clot too. Get it technical. Mr. James, we don't even want to put my big toe in your blood clot mouth. You mad? Not even my blood. I don't want to use your tongue and wipe when we just done this. You mad? If you use all your tongue while it's infected, just how your mouth looks stink. If you come by me, I don't want you to be in the toilet. Eh? Me don't want you to wipe well when me done, so you have to come by me. And you're not even worth it to be me tissue. Are you mad? Guys, that's the truth. Jake's Rosealee baby father could have never be me tissue. When me show one Jake's mouth wipe my body. Low infection in my Jake's mouth to touch my body. That's true. Me deal with hygiene. Jake's couldn't hear about my body. So all Jake's disrespect me and he couldn't be me tissue. Guys, come on man. Make me keep it real now. Me's a bad bitch, me's a top bitch. What James could have dissed me and say no? What James could have dissed me and say no? I mean, no girl like me now look on James in real life. I only girl like Rosealee James can get a big blood clot overweighted cow. No normal girl, no slim thick girl now look on your Drakes. Woman done pan you, just the truth. You belong to Rosealee and Rosealee belong to you. Because in a real life, any girl that look on you have to be a mad girl. No real sensible girl now look on you. No real sensible girl now get the pussy. Yeah, you have to make a real sensible girl get the pussy on the media and then we can talk about it. A girl like Rosealee, a girl with low self-esteem. Girl with self-esteem like me now look on your Drakes. That's just the truth. You have to fuck like Rosealee when no man now look on. Big back, shape bad, stink, everything bad. Everywhere she sit down wet up. A girl like Rosealee alone look on your Drakes. That's just the truth. Nice, clean, big body girl. Flat tummy bed. Them girl like me now look on you. You can't like me, Drakes. Some girl like me now look on you, Drakes. You mad? You crazy? Tell me him now? Alright. I don't want to hear me now. Because I don't want to hear me now. I don't want to hear him. I don't want to hear him. But let me go listen to him. Me I go up in a blood clot box go cuss him. Drakes. And that's like, he need afraid me take what Chevy from him, you know. That's like, he need a pan phone until Chevy no chat to me, you know. Come like him block that page, and I'm going to use a fake page. Yo, bad Drake with him stinking mouth. Him a clean card. You know, always vex when me come tell the people them the truth. I will name again. Jakes. One Jakes on the app. Alright. Good turn it up. Jakes, yeah. Look at me, guys. So me could have make this white man well. Look on this. Me never there with no girl ugly so. Down to the ugliest girl me ever taken in my life don't look solid. Down to the bisexual. Cause the ugliest girl me ever taken on. And the girl me come over here and take a bisexual girl, you know, give me man for mating. And she not ugly so. You mad look on Drake. You mad? Our old girl make this. Look on this. We haven't talked the truth, Drake. Look on you. You crazy? Would I really make no? He not even have good internet. But yeah, come about girl and not have good internet. Me hear what I say. Man, Drake. I make a video for you. But the Rosealee finger you hold me. I make a video for you. Finish roll up my weed. I have to make a video for him. Drake's a... Me not here. I'm here not here. Me I go.
Last time.
Remember take coffee.
Just coming card.
Yes, clean card. Big pussy Drake. Let me see if me can go in the box. Drake clean card. Big waist girl like Rosealee. I want to go in the box and send a request. I want you to accept me. I want the bitch accept me. I want the bitch accept me. Clean card. Drake clean card. Drake's clean card. Drake's recently started clean card with Rosealee. Don't come by me, go by your Rosealee finger. Go by your Rosealee finger out, Drake. Your back. Fool like your big ball.
So that's your name, Sky Diamond, because Diamond red your eye.
Diamond red my eyes. I do review. I want to this a butter. I want to this a bingy by. I review me do want me say a clean card that me say. What you mean by Diamond red my eyes? What the fuck wrong? This a stripper, oh Diamond red my eye. A 50% when you get out of Diamond. Your clean card, just accept it. Me see the girl me clean card for Akeem, I shoot for you. The same girl me shoot for Rosealee, I shoot for you. Oi bon your son. Back yet. Bingy boy Jeff, go look at walk and come out for media. Go look at walk. That's a Rosealee finger wall. That's why Rosealee finger out here. You love lights. That's why Rosealee bring Akeem at the gate and kiss him blood clot because you love lights. That's why Akeem could have come at your yard, come pick up your baby mother, worthless blood clot, Drake. Go walk. Go look at walk for you, your blood clot, pity them by. That's the Rosealee finger out here, you love lights. See how work for Akeem then now. You real bad, Drake. That's why you clean card for Akeem now. You love lights. That's why them bust up wall. That's why you bust up. I believe Rosealee say you have man. I believe Rosealee say you have Drake, so you love man. Look at you now a clean blood clot card for Akeem. Back. Go walk. Go work. Look at you a clean card now for blood clot Akeem. You real bust up. You up your bust up, your body big. Him not accept me. Him not blood clot accept me. Let me see if he can accept my blood clot. Let me go up on the pussy. You don't tell the junker for add me. Tell him about add me. See me and tell him my request there. Accept. Accept. No accept. Accept no. Him not accept. Accept. He not accept. 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 He might decline it. Accept. He like having it can be a bad blood clot. Me that come shoot you up. Me that come shoot you up. Adar. Here but why me I send him request with my C blood clot, but me supposed to have a C badge. Because me's not a beggar, me work and no one then me come on live go and get him about C badge. Guys, we need to go in at the AB, the A league. Guys, when you hear a blood clot, Drake send me in a C league. Drake send me in a C league, guys. You don't have to put me in a A league. Fucking bright. Sex appeal, sister, thank you. The boy is disrespectful about me in a C league. So I'll leave the pussy come over here and watch now, you know. Eh? Nobody not talk about Jabas. You might talk about, go bring Peter Gay, come you might talk about Jabas. My head get crab now, you know, because they know they talk about Peter Gay, me get mad, you know.
Is it? Yeah, you don't know it, group.
He not admit chat. He not admit.
Because
Him get hype. He supposed to get blood clot hype. Him a work for Akeem now. Akeem a fuck Drakes. Akeem a fuck Drakes. Drakes a clean card for Akeem now. Remember Akeem a Batman. I remember Rosealee said Drakes a Batman. Akeem a fuck Drakes. Cause Drakes a work for Akeem now a clean card. You don't know anything me talk about. Drakes a clean card for Akeem now. Akeem a fuck Drakes. Remember Rosealee said him and Drakes a threesome with man. Akeem and blood clot Drakes threesome. Anything me say a law. Remember Rosealee the click her live and said she and Drakes a threesome all in part time. Who don't know have to believe me. Right now Drakes a clean card for Akeem. Akeem a Drakes. It's true that one of the threesome, they nasty. Akeem and Drakes are back. You don't have to believe me. You don't have to believe me, but anything Sky Diamond talk a law. Akeem and Rosealee. Drakes start clean card now for Akeem. Remember Rosealee they come tell you say a threesome him and Drakes do with man. Remember Rosealee they come tell you her business. Say she do whole heap of threesome she and Drakes. Right now Akeem and Rosealee. Akeem and Rosealee. Akeem is Drakes and Rosealee. Me need to make a video. You know wait, me need to put it out there. This will take 2 blood clot long. Me have to put it out there. The live alone now work. Some people now go catch the live. Me have to go make a video right now. Put on my page. You know have to understand. Give me 1 minute. Commercial break. Me have to put it out there. Some people now go catch it. Alright, let me put it quick and fast. Yeah guys, me I post my video now. So right now, I'm come for telling you the latest on the TikTok market. Akeem and fuck Drakes and Rosealee. Yes. Akeem. Let me post it now. Not a blood clot. Now me can't hear what I say. The people them have to know what one. The people them have to know say Drakes and blood clot Rosealee Akeem bitch. Big up yourself Akeem. You're a top blood clot man. You're a top man Akeem. Drakes are your bitch. Slap up in batty jar, yes?